Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we play Wildlands from Clooney's Ghost Division Wildlands, and yeah, we are here with Itachi. His name here is not Itachi though, it's Lawlessness. So yeah, and we are going for the missions here down there. You see, 340, 350, 330. So just bear with us, and we should try to take them out. And I think we should go from here and go in there and see if we can scout the layer out. And do me a favor, make me happy and subscribe and give a thumbs up. It's help. So I'm going over to Itachi and we are going for it. So have fun. Hello Itachi.
Hello. I don't know.
Could we just... I don't think we should just drive down, so we just...
No.
This was the best way I saw.
Yeah, but the movies, they disappeared.
Yeah, that's unfortunately, but
Yeah.
I'm down.
We should scout also later.
Yeah, we have something on our right side. I send my drone up here.
I just came by beside you, and now we...
Deploying drone.
We have something down there. It's nothing here. It's just that thing we should go for.
Yeah.
We have two targets there, but I don't know. We need to take them.
We can take them out just because they are terrorizing that woman. We are heroes, after all.
So, which one do you take?
I take number one.
Okay. One, two, three.
Three.
Tango down.
They are dead.
Yes. Tango, tango.
Dang it! Whoop! It's come a car.
Wait.
It was a car up there.
Wait, you know we're gonna defend this?
Holy, oh la la!
So are you ready for defense?
Maybe we should take another weapon than the MP5 then?
Or you can take that. You can take the light machine gun with that we required from.
Yeah, the MG121.
Yeah.
I can do that.
So, are you ready then?
Yeah, I hope so.
Refill your ammo before, because you don't get when you're changing your weapon like that. You don't have to.
No.
You're getting lack of ammunition. I start now. Defend. So now they're coming by cars.
They are up there. They're coming down on the...
Oh, he's driving crazy! He's mad! He's dead. We have one dude over there or something.
He's gone. I died.
I died too.
Dang it, it was heavy. We just need to try it again.
I wasn't ready for them coming there, like, they come fast.
Yeah.
Damn, son. Can't be perfect all the time.
No.
So we're back here, back on track.
Unloading.
I'm running down there now.
Yeah. And are we sure that we should be down there, both of us? Or?
We need to. I can be down here, but you have the weapon case here. That's the thing.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe we should be inside the buildings more to
Yeah.
not be so exposed. I can start. You have the gun, right?
Yeah, I have the gun.
Yeah, then I can start already now.
Yeah.
And I saw something about, yeah.
Bolivia. Why do you work in the coca fields every day? So Santa Blanca can beat you down and pay you shit? So you can become slaves to the cartel? I say no! We are born free, and we cannot live in chains. Take up arms with our hermanos, and no one can stand
That tango's down.
Luchemos! Luchemos!
I died. Why?
No. Okay. Oh, holy crap. I'm dead too.
What?
I shouldn't have been that far, to be honest. They was really sniping us.
No,
So,
it was a car who just stabbed me. Well, look. One hit. Likely two, maybe, and I died.
was I know where we're coming now.
Yeah, and I don't know where to stand. If we should stand in with the weapon books and just take them when they come.
Yeah, I think so.
If we should be on the same place and let them come to us and we don't run to them or something.
I think so. But I was starting with the sniper rifle, like when I didn't want to. I can start now, so we buy some time.
Yeah. If we should stand inside here, maybe, and we have this corner here and there, here, but we don't
Behind
see.
this building, behind our building now, it's one dude.
Yeah.
That's one less bad guy.
Now comes that car that almost kills us. Oh, civilian killed. Crap.
Frag out. Hold up, putas.
Holy moly.
This seems to be a better way, though. We can fill up the ammo all the time. That's nice.
Coming a car.
Target number 5. Target is dead.
I got 3 yes, dude.
Boom!
I got the one that down, lower down.
Nice. Yeah.
5 seconds.
Yeah. This is what the way we should do it, huh?
This is the way.
Okay, message sent. That ought to inspire the rebels.
Ah.
We have mortar now.
Well done, compadres. My speech was heard all over Bolivia.
Sorry for that.
Mission
It is
complete.
only a matter of time before the people rise up and join our cause. Viva la revolución!
Glad we could help. Now what have you got on Yuri and Polito?
Nothing yet, amigo. Those two, they cover their tracks well. But
Probably
my people
I
are
should.
working on it. We will
Uh,
know something soon. In the meantime, my revolutionary brothers
take a new gun again.
to help if you need them. Just call and they will come.
Go for the MP5, maybe.
That's up to you. We
Yeah, but,
have an intel over here, a Kingslayer here.
yeah, but this gun is too much noise when
We
we are
have someone who can give you
outside.
information
Going
on Yuri and
stealthy,
Polito.
yeah.
I'm listening.
One of my lieutenants managed to escape from them. He fled to a village called Culta. Rather than give my man up to the cartel, the villagers hid him.
Goddamn bravery right there.
In response,
Where I'm
Santa
standing is
Blanca
a
razed
document.
every home and
Yeah,
executed
coming.
all the villagers.
Fuck.
My lieutenant is still being kept alive. Probably so he can be killed in an even more painful way.
Understood. We're heading to Kulta now.
So we can either go for the south one that there's
Camaradas,
like, I think we should go for the south one.
fellow cocaleros.
This
I look
one.
at your faces and I see the scars the men of the Santa Blanca have left on this land.
We need to
Stealing
steal
our
that car.
coca,
So
threatening
did you
our
get
way
the
of
document?
life,
Yeah.
burning our houses,
So we can start with taking a car and drive.
a trail of ash,
You have a car down
blood,
here.
the blood of the people of Bolivia. The same blood that was running in the veins of Tupac Katari, the great Aymara leader who fought the
Buckle up,
Spanish
people.
conquistadores 300 years ago. We are tired. We are hungry. We are desperate. But this blood...
Don't
still
worry
runs
guys,
in
we
our
don't drive
veins.
this in reality.
We are
Yeah.
Bolivians. Mientras que respiremos, seremos libres.
Country road, take me home to
No
the sea.
threat.
Oh, you're driving wrong.
No
Wrong way.
captain
Wrong
can
wrong
take
way.
that away from us. I look at your faces and I don't see cocaleros. I see warriors.
The right one.
I see resistant
Yeah,
fighters. I see the seed
And that's
of this freedom that we
not
Bolivians
good to drive in.
hold so dear. We will oppose them. We will fight them everywhere. We will hunt their worst nightmares until one day they are forced to leave our sacred land. Today, I am not a
3.2
cocalero.
kilometers.
These cars is not
I shall
easy to
become
drive, so you know.
And I take an oath to lead us, the rebels, to victory.
Go that way
Do
then.
not accept your life as it is. Become more. May Santa Muerte bless you. Amen.
Hola, banda loca. You know
Just
you're
drive
no
through
longer
and
just a
ignore them.
recreational drug user when you start to get all
Or you're gonna
philosophical
take a
and shit about
shortcut.
drugs. I was chilling with my boy Hyman, and he burst out with this
Don't
shit
do
like,
this at home!
you think that your eyes see truth?
Straight into a
You think your
three.
ears hear truth too?
I don't
he
see
like
anything.
starts talking about how your eyes might be fooling you all the time, like color blindness,
That's
or that
how
your
you
ears
avoid
might be
trouble.
lying, like when somebody's a little bit deaf. But I'm like, got
Take every three you can find.
eyes can't be lying
Yeah, he
that
did.
much. You can't hear as good as a dog, but your ears can't be lying that fucking much either. No seas baboso, pues. The human race has
I don't
survived
know
for
why we
like
took the
thousands
biggest
of years.
Oh,
And if our senses
well.
were wrong, we would have been
Does-
eaten by
doesn't get
saber-toothed
destroyed
tigers
so
like
easy.
a long fucking time ago.
Probably.
Then Jaime says,
Yeah, but you have
"Well,
no
what about
control
when
over
you're
it.
high?" At first I was like, man,
Take
what
the
you
right.
talking about, wait? But then I'm like,
You
oh,
see the
you're
suspension on
right.
it?
When I'm all coked up, when I'm stoned as shit, my eyes don't see the same. My ears don't hear the same.
Why are
I'm
you
like,
slowing down?
So which one's more true?
Good, kill
That's
them,
it.
The world you live in
and
when
take
you're
their
high,
car.
or
and take the
world
supplies?
you live in when you're sober.
Tango down.
So, you are good now? Right? Good, good. You are
We'll let the
friends?
rebels know where to find these supplies.
You can take
Pay
a
us
gun
back
tower.
Yeah. Don't ever give Itachi a minigun.
You see, I can see stuff too. Whoa! Kill them.
They're dead.
Oh, it's a place there. I can take it.
Okay.
But I can take it because
I didn't want to kill the rebels. The thing is, they're friendly, so I killed just only the dude.
the Trinidad thing. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's quite nice.
Keep secure. Rebels.
Mission nearby, medical drop.
But we're not going for that. We're going for the main mission. And I think we gotta steal that car. Whoa.
This is a good car. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I should stay right.
Let's stop here and we sneak down and scout things. Oh, tangos. Scout.
Deploying the drone.
I'm going up to the fence here. Just, you know.
I got another tango.
That's 2 dudes you can take out,
Third
I
target.
think.
You have one third one there also.
Yeah. I think if I do
This is the
this
garage.
dude, you can
Sound off
number
at the
2
swap
you can
Cleo's
take out.
car.
Roger that.
Probably.
Is it like F or what is it to take
Q,
them from behind?
Q. Oh wait, F it's to take from behind.
That's 5 tangos.
He went inside. That was not good. I don't know if you can shoot through the. Whoops! Whoa! Go in here! Go around.
You're very just so you know, you're very far away from me.
Yeah, I know, and I'm very close to them. I hope this one gonna go in here again and stand here where they stand, because then I can take him from behind with no weapons at all.
Which one? Number 1?
Yes.
Okay.
Or maybe this one comes to me. No? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, just go in here in the bushes so he don't see me. Number 1, try to repair the car there. Now he walks away.
I got a
eyes on
mounted
the
weapon.
weapon.
Tango 10.
Minigun. It's like they have everything.
Yeah. I needed to kill him. Sorry. He saw me.
Target eliminated.
He was about to see me.
Mm.
So that's what's good. We have a rebel here we could probably free.
Yeah. Should I take the number 1?
Yes, please. Here we have a dude also.
No, I don't see him because I'm
He's behind.
not up there. I'm trying to take me on the left side of the base and in somewhere to get clear shots on people. The heavy machine tower though. Should I try to shoot something through the net?
That brings us to
No,
10.
no, no, don't do. That can be a. You can hit the net and that's gonna
I
alarm
got eyes on a
everybody.
mounted weapon.
Yeah,
There's two variables.
who can get wrong?
Yeah,
I'm
trying to scout every single one.
yeah.
It's pretty hard. We should probably try to get over here or something. Oh yeah, like get here.
I'm here at this thing.
I'm gonna move.
We have more ammo here though.
Yeah, I'm coming to you.
Could probably no come up. I will try to take me around and take down one of these towers things.
Can I take this one?
Which one? The one?
Tango down.
Number 2. I took it away. He's dead.
I would take 2 towers now, the heavy machine gun towers. I have one down here I will try to take now. I don't want to have them in my back.
That means I have discovered everybody.
We have reinforcement now.
They heard you.
Yeah, they saw me. I didn't see him. But we have reinforcement. Dang it! I died.
Mission failed.
Yeah,
That is why it's so important not
yeah,
to
but it
release.
wasn't me. This was not my fault. They started to shoot the car, and the rebels come in and shoot. And I shoot the car, and I try to steal it and go.
I have discovered everybody.
Yeah, I know that. But you can't discover people that look at you when you don't see them. So
Let's go.
you take it one small time. And I go for the same route because I know where the car is. And I should be more careful though. At the end. Because now I know they're coming up at the...
Drone is up.
You discover them, and I'm going here.
We started from same position, kind of thing.
We got a mounted weapon. Second target, right there. Tango 5.
I need to get closer also.
Is that one? No. Is that one legit?
Which one?
Number 1?
Yeah, number 1 you can take away. And I need to get closer.
And that one? Number 1?
Yeah, you can take care of him.
That one we need to take away, but I can't. Yeah, I can see him now. I can take him. Can I take him? No, oh no, he walked away. Fuck. Now he stands still. Can I take him?
I don't know who you're pointing at.
But I just try. That one who saw me the last time.
Oh yeah.
He's gone. He's gone now. But we are hunted. Why?
Yeah, I shot someone and there's someone that's
Take it easy then.
yeah. They just saw a body, I think.
Fuck
I
it.
saw my drone.
That's not good. Need to be careful, you said. Whoa, whoa. Oh. Come here. Pick up.
Target down.
Drone is on cooldown.
I got another tango.
There's someone more behind that.
There are people inside here. Here's the car though.
Yeah, I'm gonna take care of those dudes.
Damn, that guy's dead.
There it is.
It's
Eyes
one-
on
it's
Polito's
one more.
car.
He's dead.
Yeah, but we need to check everything else, right?
Yeah.
These guys stinks.
Yeah,
We'll
we
leave
have a
markers for the
medal
rebels to
here
Pick up these supplies later.
on the second floor, I believe. That went much better.
Yeah. Oh, there is something more ammo. Fill it up.
Where is that? Is that a resource? Oh, this must be a one floor down.
Did you find it?
No, somewhere here, but I don't see it.
Is it outside then? Or is it upside?
It must be a... I don't know, it should be a one floor up then. But I don't see it here either. Or is it above? Wait, it's inside here though. Cops.
So now we should take the Polito's car.
Yes.
This car
And
is
don't
swanky,
destroy it.
and there's a bloody condom in the glove box. Make that 2 bloody condoms.
I guess that confirms it's Yuri and Polito's ride.
Even if the condoms come standard, it's a sweet fucking car.
I never could understand the narco bling. You get an expensive whip, put chrome
Damn,
rims
we
on
need
it,
to
and you
drive
just drive it
long.
around the same
Yeah.
dusty
And
towns
keep
you were
it
driving around before.
keep it
You
in
totally
one
want
piece.
one of these
And drive a
cars, don't you?
Lamborghini.
Fancy
On-
car,
on-
fancy
on
suit,
gravel roads.
still the same street, so what's the point?
Air conditioning.
To left. Don't scratch it. It's expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Careful. To the motorcycle. Meeting car. And to the right here. In the crossroad. Parked.
All right, now it's up to Bowman and the
Yeah.
activity. They'll
You-
check the car's GPS for locations where Yuri and Polito may be hiding out.
Do we need to go in here?
I don't know.
Oh no. No, we don't need. We're level 7 now.
Yeah.
So now we need to. Oops, we need to go all the way up here. And there we have the last one of the weapon accessories.
Should we
This
should we
region.
take one of these and drive?
I'm riding the motorcycle.
Yeah.
Maybe we can just throw over the mountain.
But yeah. I don't think so.
Yeah, I think so. I'm up on the road there. Whoa, 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 whoa. This moped is not good.
Tangos
Yeah, I see that.
and a helicopter.
Should we take them now out then?
Question is how close can we get? Can we pass them by and just get the helicopters? Do you think?
The helicopters are the other way, right?
It's on the road, I think. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Or not. They're up on the hill.
Yeah.
I got the notice of them.
A partir de la madre con todo. Vamos a enseñarles quién manda. ¡Disparen!
Whoa!
Fucking hell!
Oh, they saw me.
The sniper is gone.
Yeah, but everyone else.
I'm soon at the helicopter. I am at the helicopter. I can come to you.
I have 100 meters to you, so it's okay. I'm at here now. I'm here.
Okay. Let's go! Where's the second weapon case then?
I don't know.
Should be oh, it's in the corner of this map. Long barrel.
That's nice for a sniper, I think.
Yeah, it's the far down to the right. Lower right corner of this area.
But we are going for this now, right?
Yes. So you have the source there. Go for that one.
So
Then we can move.
maybe we can land up here.
Damn, haven't seen anything like this since I was in a sandbox.
Do you think we can land here?
Barbed wire,
Yeah, I think
observation
so.
posts. The rebels must have given Santa
And then we
Blanca
can
hell.
scout it.
Bet these cartel assholes never thought they'd be spending their time dodging snipers and IEDs. Karma sure can be a bitch sometimes.
We
Deploying
spotted
drone.
one with submachine guns. Got another tango.
Eyes on a third.
Looks like Kulta is still smoldering. Keep an eye out for the rebel they've got held here.
Count is now 5.
That one you can take out. That one you can take out also.
Another target. Count is 10.
Can I take them?
Yeah, those are marked. You can take out. They're solo listed.
If he just will stand still, then number 2, standing.
Seems that can't.
Can you stand still, please?
We could take out if we wait. If I do like this,
Yeah, which
take
one?
one. I take one.
I take
You
2
take
then.
2. Yeah.
1?
Wait a moment. I'm gonna sit in beside you because I want to. Oh, yeah. Now we can stable. 1, 2, 3, go.
Target eliminated.
He walked away.
Yeah.
He's dead.
Mhm.
Oh, there. I can't see him for the smoke.
He's moving.
Kill confirmed.
1 left.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go take myself down there.
yeah, do that.
Maybe I can see him.
He's
You got
dead.
him.
Yeah,
Nice.
on the move.
That was stealthy.
It's like in the reel. You need to aim a little bit in front of them.
Check it out.
Yeah.
Weapons case. Ah, I could use this.
Did you take the weapon case?
Yeah, I did.
I'll throw a share on you.
Oh, wait! There is someone here in a building. I got just a red marker in front of us there.
In here, yeah?
I haven't, yeah.
Or behind this building, maybe.
Yeah. He's
There's
dead.
one less bad guy.
No, it's one more. Let's see, down here.
It's... I'm gonna scout now, so you know.
Yeah, do that. I will try to take me up there. Up here on the...
Target number 2, there. Target number 3.
Maybe I can
That's 5 tangos.
snipe from the above. You know, take the one.
Number 1 you can take, I think, because that's just a roof dude.
It's a sniper one.
Yeah.
Them are 2.
I don't know about the church.
Yeah, neither do I. I shoot one up in the roof, up there.
That's a solo.
Yeah, that's one on the back side of the church. I can't see him from here.
He saw the body.
Did he?
Yeah.
Up on the roof?
Yeah, he went up to the roof. This dude you can take out. Reinforcements incoming.
Yeah, they are.
Frag out. Frag out. Get some.
I think I took them.
Then we're moving against the church.
Oh, I died. Hang it. I fell from a...
No, you're not dead yet.
No, not yet.
Here you have a painkiller killer. Get up, you dude.
Thank you, dude.
Okay, follow me. I'm on this side, you're on the right side, left side.
Hey, abre la puerta, compa. Open the door.
Open the
You
door.
okay, Mano?
What do you want from me?
Yuri and Polito, the fuckers who tortured you. We're here to make them pay for what they did. But we need to know where they took you.
We didn't travel far. I remembered that much, and it was quiet. Out in the country somewhere. There was a smell, like old animal skins. That's all I know. I'm sorry.
It's all right. At least now we know they're close by. Gracias.
Gracias. I think it's
Nomad, we finally got a 20 on Yuri and Polito. The activity cross-referenced the car's GPS with that description you got from the prisoner. They're at a hunting lodge. Rumor has it they use that spot for their enhanced interrogations.
Send us the location and we'll take care of it.
Put them in the ground for me. Make sure they feel the pain.
And?
open. So there we have the main mission.
Yeah.
We can go back to the helicopter.
Yeah, and this is the perfect time.
So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like and comment on both me and Morten, and hit the notification button. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.